Too bright. Too bright. Really beauty. This is Hachi with you asleep. Exhibit A. This is the dog's one. Look at this. Favorite blue blankie. Recliner chair. Decorated with a nice soft blanket. How much more comfortable can you get than this? Look at your baby. Look at your baby. Look at your baby. Are you sleeping so soundly? Oh, he's still waking up. Can you tell? He's still waking up. And his dog bed is right under me. I'm sitting on his dog bed. I'm on his dog bed now. Does he use his dog bed? Yeah. But he still prefers recliner, blanket. Very comfortable dog. Look at him. Look at him. I got you on camera. I got you on camera. I got you on camera. I got you. Oh. Did I interrupt your beauty sleep? Okay, so I think I have to let y'all go because he was a little miffed that I woke him up. Look how cute he goes in his chair. Look at him. Let's get a closer shot. You see him? See? Good. Let's do hot shots. Ooh, too bright. Look at him. He's just so comfortable.